Morning, everybody. I mean, it rained all night here on the farm. Right here, open the chicken. Let the chickens out. Let them get a drink of water. I know they probably thirsty this morning. They got plenty of water to drink, I guarantee. We didn't get no snow though. We got a little sleet yesterday evening, but it stayed so warm and everything. Everything melted before it hit the ground. And not much water out here as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's steady leaving. Still pretty cool. Not cool as it had been though. I put the heat back on up in the house. I can't hardly stand this cold weather no more. Never could really, but this, once you get a little age on you, it is tough. My. There's some water over there. It's kind of, it'll leave here though. That's straight downhill going down that way. Thank God I don't live in no flood zone like a lot of people do. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go and y'all have a blessed day. Stay warm.